we made it to Reykjavík. We're grabbing a quick lunch. And then we have to run on over to get our COVID test done so that we can return to the US. And then after that, we're gonna try to check into our Airbnb. So how was that?
It was good. It was my first COVID test. I know, it's my first one. I haven't gone anywhere. But it was good. It hurt a little bit, but I don't think they're supposed to be comfortable. So now we just wait 30 minutes for the results. And
Is that what she said? She said
yeah, you should get an email in like 30 to 40 minutes with your results.
Okay.
If we did the rapid test, that is.
Yeah, we did. This is the bedroom. I don't know. Here's the bedroom.
Bathroom? Turn on the light.
Bathroom. Nice little rain shower.
Nice.
Coffee machine. Very large TV. Alright, so Kayla and I are walking to dinner. Sorry for the squinty eyes because it's pretty bright out. It's the first day that we've like had full sun without clouds. But we got a dinner reservation at Reykjavík Kitchen. And I think it got 5 out of 5 stars on TripAdvisor. It's only about, I don't know, 15-minute walk. Yeah, it's about a mile away. So we're just gonna do a quick walk there. We get to walk through the park and then we're gonna head on back. We had a long day driving and kind of worn out from it, especially with the vehicle that we're driving. It's a little bit more of a handful. There's no cruise control. It's kind of like all fully manual. So it's a bit of a beast to drive if you're not used to it. Alright, so we just finished dinner. It's pretty good. I had the cod.
I had the black pasta.
Black pasta was pretty good. We enjoyed it. It was a little place called Reykjavík Kitchen. It was pretty good. It was highly rated, so really enjoyed it. But now we're on the hunt for some boba tea. Hopefully we can get some.